Hi, I'm Len Allington from Smith Partners Real Estate. Welcome to number 4, Meyer Street in Golden Grove. And we're in the popular Orchard Grove estate. Come join me on a tour of this beautiful home. So we're set on about 700 square metres of land. It's a beautiful Higginbotham home, 4 bedrooms, 2 generous living areas, double width carport and undercover parking for 8 vehicles, including the garage. You've got low maintenance gardens throughout. Just across from this beautiful park with a stand of lemon scented gums. You're just around the corner from the Cobbler Creek. You've got schools close by, including Pinnacle College, Golden Grove Primary, you've got Anytime Gym a few minutes away, bus close by. So for more information, just give me a call or have a look online for up and coming inspection times.